Senator Ned Mwoko. I represent the good people of Delta North, Delta State. Mr. President, I rise to move the motion for the restoration of Aniocha North 2 State Constituency pursuant to Supreme Court judgment. The Senate notes that in 2014, the people of Idumujono, Idumuchuboko, Okunzo, Uboba, Idumuogo, Ubodu, Ubulubu, Anioma, I'm sure that sounds familiar, Ogodo towns in Aniocha North local government area of Delta State initiated a legal action at the Federal High Court, Asaba, seeking the restoration of the Aniocha North 2 State Constituency. Also notes that although the Federal High Court dismissed the originating summons, the Court of Appeal, Benin Division, on the 22nd of November 2017, delivered judgment in favor of the people, ordering the restoration of Aniocha North 2 State Constituency and directing the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, to conduct election in the constituency. Aware that INEC filed an application for leave to appeal the judgment of the Court of Appeal at the Supreme Court, but the Supreme Court, in its ruling of November 29th, 2019, dismissed the application, thereby affirming the judgment of the Court of Appeal as final, binding, and legally non-appealable.
Once the Supreme Court pronounces, you know better than I do, because as a lawyer, you know that. Once the Supreme Court make pronouncement, it's like making a law. So in this case, there's a pronouncement by the Supreme Court that this should be done. And once you have that done, you know that as a lawyer, that must be implemented. So this is a problem. Even in the US, there's what they call judicial activism. That is, when the Supreme Court makes such a pronouncement, it becomes law. It becomes law. So as far as I'm concerned here, as far as this issue is concerned, if he's very sure that the Supreme Court has made pronouncement, then by our system, we don't need to go through another constitutional amendment, alteration, because the Supreme Court has spoken. We can only do to undo what the Supreme Court has done. So that's my position in this.
I approve that the Independent National Electoral Commission complies with this resolution by ensuring that the restoration of Aniocha North 2 State Constituency of Delta State takes effect in the next House of Assembly election after the current life of the current Delta State House of Assembly, in compliance with Section 115 of the Constitution. Those in support of Resolution 2 say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it.